Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about some problem related to the geometric progression as well as arithmetic progressions. Here question number 2. Insert 5 geometric mean between 576 and 9. Let us suppose that G1, G2, G3, G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5 are 5 geometric mean are 5 geometric mean between 2 number A equal to 576 and B equal to 9. Let us suppose that G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 are 5 geometric means between 2 number A and B. A equal to 576 and B equal to 9. Then 576 G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 and B are in GP, so that let us suppose that R is the common ratio. Let us suppose that R is the common ratio. R equal to B by A के पावर 1 by n plus 1 I equal to B by A के पावर 1 by n plus 1. Now in this case, putting the value here, B equal to this is a last term, B equal to 9. B equal to here 9 by A equal to 576 to the power 1 by n. N is the total number. In this case total number in this case 5. Here n is the mean number of mean 5 plus 1. In this case 9 divided by this 1 by 9 6 are 54 and 9 4 are 36 to the power 1 by 6. Now here this can be written as 64 to 32 16 8 2 4 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 by 2 के power 6 to the power 1 by 6. Here this comes here 2 के power minus 6 into 1 by 6. It means that 2 के power minus 1, that is equal to half. Now r equal to half. Then g1 equal to 5 geometric mean. Here g1 equal to a equal to here 5 7 6 and r equal to in this case half. That is equal to 2 2 या 4 2 8 या 16 and 2 8. This g2 equal to ar square. It means that a equal to 576 into r square half to power 2, that is equal to 576 into 1 by 4. This is also equal to 4 1 ja 4 16 4 4 ja 16 and 1 4 4 ja 16. Here g2 equal to 144. g3 third geometric mean ar cube, that is equal to 576 into 1 by 2 के power 3. It means that 576 into 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 1 by 8, that is equal to this comes 8 7 ja 56 and 1 8 2 ja 16, that is 72. Now g4 ar के power 4, that is equal to 576 into 1 by 2 के power 4. This is equal to 576 into 1 by 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 and divide this, that is 16 4 ja 16 3 ja 48 and that is equal to 36. And here g5 equal to ar के power 5 576 into 1 by 2 के power 5, that is equal to 576 into 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32 1 by 32. It means that this is equal to 18. because 18 to the 36 cut 6 and 83 the 54 3 57, so that in this case insert 5 geometric mean between this and this, thus 5 geometric means are this 288, 144, 72, 36 and 18. This is our answer. Now we take another problem here. Question number 3 here. This asks in JEE Advanced 1982. If X, Y, Z are pth, qth and rth terms respectively of an AP and also of GP, then x to the power y minus z, y to the power z minus x and z to the power x minus y is equal to A x y z, B 0, C 1, none of the solution. Here in this question, x, y, z are pth, qth, rth terms respectively of an AP. Here x, y, z are pth, qth, rth terms. Here x, y, z are pth, qth and rth term of NAP and qth and rth terms of an AP, so that x equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. Here A is first term and D equal to common difference A is the first term and D is common difference. X, Y, Z are pth, qth, x is pth terms, so that x is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D and Y equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. Z equal to A plus P Q R minus 1 into D. Here this is the relation first, this is relation second, this is relation third. Now in this case we put the value of y minus x, z minus x and x minus y. So with the help of this we calculate x minus y equal to what? Now x minus y equal to x minus y cancel and P minus Q into D, P minus Q into D, and Y minus Z equal to Y minus Z. This and this cancel. This open this minus D cancel, and Y minus Q minus R into D, and Z minus X equal to this R minus P into D. Now we get these relations. Also, this is equal to 4. Also, if X, Y, Z are Pth, Qth, Rth terms respectively of MAP and also of GP, which means that X, Y, Z are the, by question, X, Y, Z are Pth, Qth and Rth terms of GP, Rth terms of GP, so that X is equal to A R के power P minus 1, Y equal to A R के power X, Y equal to A R के power N minus 1 and Y equal to A R के power Q minus 1, and Z equal to A R का power R minus 1. Here we get this result X, Y, Z. Now we have to calculate the value of X to the power this is equal to in this part. Now we see this, we calculate the value of this X के power Y minus Z into Y के power Z minus X into Z के power X minus Y, putting the value of this, value of X is equal to this A R के power X is equal to A R का power P minus 1 and Y minus Z, this power Y minus Z, Y minus Z here. In this case, Y minus Z equal to Q minus R into D. Q minus R into D here. Now into Y, into this Y means A R के पावर Q minus 1, A R का पावर Q minus 1 to the power z minus x r minus p into d r minus p into d, and also z means a r के पावर small r minus 1, and this power, this is sign of multiplications, x minus y, here x minus y equal to p minus q into d into d. Now we simplify this. In this case, we take the a here, a के पावर q minus r into d, a के पावर q minus r into d, q minus r into d, and this is a के पावर r minus p into d, and this multiply so that this comes plus r minus p into d, r minus p into d, plus a के पावर p minus q into d, p minus q into d. Now with a here r का पावर जो है p minus 1 into this and this, p minus 1 into q minus r d, plus r means q minus 1 and r minus p into d, plus r का पावर जो है r means here r minus 1 p minus q into d. Now in this case we take the common d. Here if we take the common d in this case, so that q minus r, r minus p and p minus q, this becomes 0, so that a का power 0. And in this case we take the common d, r का power जो है r का power p minus 1 and q minus r, here multiply this r का power, we take the common d. After that this pq minus pr minus q plus r, here qr minus pq minus r plus p, here pr minus qr minus p plus q. Here in this case pq and pq cancel, pr and minus and plus cancel, q minus and q plus cancel, r plus and r minus cancel, qr cancel, p and p cancel, so that d of this a to the power 0 and r to the power d into 0, it means that a to the power 0, r to the power 0, that is equal to 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Answer C, A. It means that its answer will be 1. Now we discuss Next problem here. Now question number 4 here. This asks in the JEE Advanced 1982. If the third term of a geometric progression is 4 and the product of first 5 term is what? Now let us suppose that solution of 4 now here let us suppose that five terms of GP is AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Now given if the third term of a geometric progression is 4, third term T3 means AR square equal to 4 and the product of first 5 terms by question product of 4 terms A into AR square into AR cube into AR to power 4 that is equal to A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A to the power 5 and R के पावर जो है 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 10 R के पावर जो है 10. This can be written as AR के पावर 2 to the power 5 because A to the power 5 and R to the power 10 and AR square यानी third term is 4 so that put this 4 के पावर जो है 5. Now answer will be what? 4 के power 5. It means that B is correct answer 4 के power 5. Now question number 5. This asks in the JEE Advanced 1983. Here in this case question number 5 solution. Here the rational number which equal the numbers 2.357 in this case. Now 2.357 it can be written as this is a recurring form so that this can be written as 2 plus this can be written as 0.357. This can be repeated form so that 0.000357. This can be also written as 0.00000357 and so on at the infinite terms. Now this can be written as here 2 plus 357 divided by 10 to the power 3 plus this can be also written as 357 divided by 2 to 4 to 6, 10 to the power 6. This can be also written as 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 5, 7 divided by 10 to the power 9. This can goes to infinity. Now we apply this is in a GP, and as we know that S infinity equal to A divided by 1 minus R. In this case, R equal to this divide this, so that 1 by 10 to the power 3. This comes 1 by 10 to the power 3. Now we apply this formula. First term A equal to this. Now this can be written as 2 plus A. A means distance. 3, 5, 7 divided by 10 to the power 3. This can divided by 1 minus R. R equal to 1 by 10 to the power 3. 1 by 10 to the power 3 means 1 by 1000. This can be written as 2 plus this 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7 divided by 10 to the power 3 means 1000 into this here, subtract 1, 999 by this, and this comes in the upper side divided by 999, so that this and this cancel, and this can be written as 2 9 18, 9 and 9. This can be written as 1998 plus 3, 5, 7 divided by 999. This can be written as here 8, 7, 15 का 5 and 9, 5, 14, 1, 5, 9, 3, 12 and 1, 13.